What's up, my fellow collectors? This is Link's Reviews and I'm Link, and you know, I said I was going to do a video for Tuesday for the Batman review, but plans changed. I did see the Batman, but I also just got a dog. I just got a puppy, so she is taking up all of my time. But as some consolation, Luna, where are you at? Luna, I'm gonna show you my dog. Luna, Luna. Here you guys go. This is Luna. Is she here? Let's turn the camera around. Luna, come here. Yeah, I'm just gonna lift her up and then show you. Here you go. Here's Luna, guys. Here's Luna. Here's Luna. Just got a puppy. Just got a puppy. And she's so cute. Although, she's a bit hyper right now. She just ate. So that's Luna for you guys. So yeah, sorry. I will have the review coming up for Friday's video instead though. So stay tuned for that. And as always, my fellow collectors, have a nice day and peace out. Peace out!